Snippets are a main component of search, right? So the snippet is the title, the URL, and the description, right? Which you will spend time working on once you learn keyword research and on-page SEO. You will be doing these. And they're fun. This gives us the ability to it's like our little ad on Google, right? So if we get to the first page of Google or the 10th page, that little snippet is our little ad to say, hey, come visit my website. I got the right stuff. I got the information you're looking for. So things to know: bold, numbers, capitals, right? So when you write blog content, it is pretty well known nowadays that if you use numbers that are uneven, get clicked on more. So 3 things to help you, blah, blah, blah. Will get clicked on more than 4 things. When you use special symbols like the @ symbol or the registered trademark or ellipses, those things get clicked on more. So we don't realize that we're being influenced when we search, but we are. We're being influenced, and SEOs learn the things that work. And so we utilize those things to make our clients get clicked on more, right? So these are things to pay attention to. If you put quotations in your URL or your meta description or your title, it'll actually get truncated. And so we know never to put quotations inside our little snippets. So feedback, right? You want to look at what worked to figure out what to do, right? And we can see that when we try things. So one of the strategies for meta descriptions now is to entice people and not just to have a really great structured, it's learn more or get your free, right? So there's lots of ways we can try to influence people's behavior. So here's an example of the SERPs and what's going on. So we have the URL, right? We can see digital marketing companies. We can see the titles, the 17, right? Digital marketing, they've capitalized the first word. They've actually put on it updated, which does matter in some industries. Maybe not if you're a lawyer, but if you're a marketer, you might want the most current information, right? So then we have the title, and then we have the meta description. Now there are character limits to either of these. When you see the 3 ellipses down here, it means your content has been truncated. So sometimes people do it on purpose. We offer a wide range of services. Maybe I want to learn more. I have put my location in my title, which means I'm trying to locally rank, right? So you have to think about, why am I going to click on one of these results? Now, one thing to pay attention to is I wrote digital marketing agency, right? If you look here hard to see, we'll see it on the search engine results pages, but digital marketing agency, it's bolded, right? Marketing agency, bolded, digital marketing, bolded, agency, bolded, right? So when you do a search, your keywords that you type into Google are bolded in the search engine results pages SERP. Why is that? Because you're more likely to click on it. And it's telling you, hey, you searched this, have this, right? So it's really interesting when you get right down to it.